Some firearms are so popular they barely make it onto store shelves before they're gone. Whether it's legendary performance, outstanding reliability, collector appeal, or simply unbeatable value, certain guns continue to dominate sales across America. Today, we're counting down 10 firearms that buyers simply can't get enough of in 2026. From iconic revolvers and classic shotguns to modern carbines and precision rifles, these are the models selling at a pace that keeps dealers scrambling to restock. At number 8 is the tiny but surprisingly popular North American Arms Mini Revolver. Proof that size isn't everything, this little handgun continues attracting buyers looking for maximum concealability in a reliable package. Measuring only 5.5 inches long and weighing approximately 6 ounces, it easily disappears into a pocket or small carry pouch. Despite its compact dimensions, the all-stainless steel construction provides impressive durability. The 5-shot cylinder offers respectable capacity for a revolver this small, while buyers can select either practical rubber grips or attractive hardwood grips. Simple, dependable, and easy to carry, the Mini Revolver has developed a loyal following and remains one of the quickest-selling pocket revolvers available. Number 7 belongs to the Smith & Wesson 686, one of the most respected revolvers in modern production. Built on the proven L-frame platform, it was designed specifically to handle a steady diet of .357 Magnum ammunition without sacrificing durability. Available with barrel lengths ranging from compact 2.5-inch carry models to extended 8-inch hunting and target versions, the 686 offers something for nearly every shooter. Adjustable rear sights allow fine-tuning for different loads, while square butt and round butt grip configurations help shooters customize fit and handling. Those wanting extra capacity can opt for the 7-shot version, gaining an additional round without significantly increasing size. Its combination of reliability, accuracy, and versatility has helped make the 686 one of Smith & Wesson's best-selling revolvers year after year. At number 6, we find the Ruger LC Carbine, one of the newest firearms on this list and one of the fastest-selling. Lightweight, compact, and highly adaptable, it quickly earned a strong following among shooters looking for a modern pistol-caliber carbine. Weighing just over 7 pounds, it remains easy to carry while still feeling substantial enough for comfortable shooting. One of its most appealing features is compatibility with Glock pattern magazines, allowing many owners to share magazines between handgun and carbine platforms. The CNC machined aluminum handguard features M-lock attachment slots for accessories such as lights, lasers, and foregrips, while the hard anodized finish provides excellent durability. Whether used for training, home defense, recreational shooting, or vehicle storage, the LC Carbine offers versatility that keeps demand high. Moving into the top 5 is the Kel-Tec SUB-2000. This folding pistol caliber carbine remains one of the most innovative designs available and continues to attract buyers looking for portability. When folded, the rifle measures just over 16 inches long, making it easy to store in a backpack, vehicle, or emergency kit. Depending on the model, it accepts Glock or Sig Sauer magazines, allowing shooters to share magazines with compatible handguns. M-lock mounting slots provide plenty of customization options for optics, lights, and other accessories. The adjustable stock accommodates different shooters and shooting styles, while the lightweight design makes carrying it effortless. Its combination of portability, magazine compatibility, and practical performance explains why these carbines continue disappearing from inventory quickly. Taking the number 4 position is the Browning X-Bolt, a bolt-action rifle built around precision and reliability. Whether used for hunting or long-range target shooting, the X-Bolt has earned a reputation for consistent performance. At the heart of the rifle is Browning's feather trigger system, delivering a clean and predictable break that promotes accurate shooting. The free-floated barrel enhances precision, while the smooth cycling bolt action supports rapid follow-up shots when needed. Browning's Inflex recoil pad helps reduce felt recoil, making extended shooting sessions more comfortable. Durable construction and dependable operation have made the X-Bolt a favorite among hunters and precision shooters alike, contributing to its continued strong sales. Claiming the runner-up position is the Beretta Model 680, a shotgun that perfectly combines elegance and performance. This over-under remains one of the most respected sporting and hunting shotguns ever produced. The beautifully engraved receiver and premium walnut stock immediately showcase Beretta's attention to craftsmanship. Beyond aesthetics, the shotgun offers outstanding balance and handling characteristics that make target transitions feel smooth and natural. Built on a durable steel receiver and paired with high-quality barrels, it is capable of digesting thousands of rounds while maintaining excellent reliability. Whether chasing upland birds or breaking clays, the Model 680 remains a favorite among shooters who appreciate both form and function. Taking the top spot is the Stoeger Uplander. This side-by-side shotgun proves that affordability and performance can absolutely coexist. While it may not carry the prestige of some higher-end doubles, it delivers dependable operation at a price point that appeals to a broad range of shooters. Available with barrel lengths between 26 and 28 inches, the Uplander offers options suitable for different hunting styles and shooting preferences. Its traditional break-action design makes loading and unloading intuitive and reliable. Weighing less than 7 pounds, it remains comfortable to carry throughout a full day in the field. Durable, straightforward, and affordable, the Uplander has become a favorite among both newcomers and experienced shooters. Its strong value proposition is a major reason why dealers struggle to keep them in stock. Those are the 8 best-selling firearms in America for 2026. From legendary revolvers like the Colt Python and Colt Single-Action Army, to modern carbines, precision rifles, and dependable shotguns, these firearms continue attracting buyers at an incredible pace. Whether you're a collector, hunter, competitive shooter, or simply curious about the latest trends, these are the guns dominating the market and disappearing from shelves almost as soon as they arrive.